At the weekend, the Prime Minister, other ministers of government, and officials visited several communities across Region 9. This outreach exercise was aimed at assessing the needs of the affected residents and providing some relief to the destruction of property caused by the flooding. Following the outreach, the Prime Minister said that he is satisfied with the work being done and assured residents that continued support would be provided.
The fact is the water is receding. However, we have to continue to monitor those areas, especially during the remainder of the rainy season, because if the water continue to rise in the two big rivers in Brazil, the Rio Negro and the Rio Branco, it's just a matter of time before these areas are underwater again. So we will continue to monitor through the CDC and continue to offer all the support to the affected communities. I think that's what people expect in a time of a disaster, that the government, whether it's central government or the regional government, can quickly offer whatever relief efforts to help them to deal with the difficult situation that they're in right now.
Meanwhile, Director General of the Civil Defense Commission (CDC), Lieutenant Colonel Kester Craig, highlighted that the CDC has been continuously responding to the evolving situation.
What we've observed is that the water has receded in most areas, but the farmlands, because they were saturated for a long period, maybe 2 days, 3 days, or even more, you have significant impact on agriculture, particularly on cassavas. In some instances, because of the heavy rainfall, you had homes, the walls collapse in some of the few villages. We also had some reports in Sand Creek of increased cases of diarrhea, rashes, especially among the kids. A number of access, particularly in Deep South, the approaches either washed away or the water is too high and make it impossible for any class of vehicle to traverse those areas.
Regional Chairman Brian Aldicock also noted that COVID-19 remains a concern for the region, as new infections are recorded each day. He said that the regional health authorities are monitoring the situation and responding as needed. Reporting for the newsroom, I am Vishani Raghavir.